I'm like super lost and I have no idea where to go. My phone's dead. Is there any way you can help me out?
What do you need?
I'm trying to get to Atwater Village. Do you know how to get there?
Atwater Village?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, Alec here at Dherbs. Today I'm gonna be lost and stranded. I'm gonna be asking strangers for directions. The first person who helps me out is gonna get $100. Let's get to it.
Going down.
Okay.
And then I think you hit Rowena.
Rowena? Okay.
Rowena, make a left, and then right into...
We're actually filming you, and we're trying to do a show to see if people do kind gestures for me.
Okay.
And so I've been out here today asking, trying to figure out who's the first person who's going to give me directions if I ask for it.
Oh, okay.
And so for that, we actually want to reward you and give you $100.
No, that's okay.
No, absolutely.
No, it's all right. Okay.
No, it's
someone that needs it. I'll forward it to someone else.
Well, I appreciate you. What's your name?
Jonar.
Jonah. Nice to meet you. I'm Alec.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you're a great guy. I appreciate you.
Anyway, be happy you have your health. Are you sure?
Absolutely.
Are you sure?
That's just for you, man. Appreciate you. Yep, see ya.